Unlocking the power of initiative. Hit the first domino. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore an intriguing phrase that you might have heard: hit the first domino. This phrase is not just about dominoes. It's about actions, consequences, and the power of starting something. Let's unravel its meaning together and see how you can use it in your everyday English. Hit the first domino is a metaphorical expression derived from the physical action of knocking over a row of standing dominoes by pushing the first one. When the first domino falls, it triggers a chain reaction where each domino falls in turn, without any further external force needed. In English, this phrase symbolizes taking an initial action that sets off a series of events or actions. Why is this phrase important? Well, it highlights the importance of taking the first step in any process. Just like in a row of dominoes, the most crucial action is often the very first one. It represents initiative and the catalyst for change. Whether it's starting a new project, learning a new skill, or making a significant life decision, hitting the first domino is about overcoming hesitation and making that pivotal move. Let's see how this phrase can be used in real-life situations. Personal development. She finally hit the first domino by signing up for English classes, setting her on the path to fluency. Business and work. The company hit the first domino with their innovative product launch, revolutionizing the market. Relationships. By sending that first message, he hit the first domino, starting a conversation that led to a deep and meaningful relationship. Interestingly, this phrase and its concept are universally understood, transcending cultures and languages because the domino effect is a physical phenomenon observed worldwide. While the wording might vary, the idea of initiating a significant series of events with a single action is a powerful concept found in many stories, movies, and real-life success or failure tales. Thank you for joining us as we explored the meaning and applications of hit the first domino. We hope this discussion inspires you to take that first crucial step in whatever journey you're on or planning to embark on. Remember, every great achievement starts with the decision to make that first move. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and never hesitate to hit your first domino in the game of life. See you in the next video.